he's decided to kill himself because he believes that the people he loves will be better off without him. You guys are so driven by having people be better off. You'll even save a man because you think he's more important to the future of the people you love than you are. I'll die for him because he'll save them when I can't. So it's like, what if instead of thinking it's a terrible thing and a hideous thing for someone to take their own lives, what if you granted that there's a good reason for that? And what is the good reason? And mostly for men, it's that they think that people they care about will be better off without them. They're better off without me. For women, it's nobody sees me. Nobody sees me, so I can't connect. So I live in fear 24/7. I don't want to be here. I can't be here. And part of being a woman in this thing we call our feelings in the middle of our chest is a connection to the eternal. So when we think I don't want to be here, we don't think we're going to be nowhere. I just won't be here where I'm suffering. I'm not annihilating myself. I'm escaping this situation, which is intolerable.